Hello again, another episode of the Cobra Daytona Build. In this episode, we're gonna clean these things up. As I said, I'm still bouncing around waiting for parts, but Paul on the forum, he actually had these things welded. The edges, you can see they're pretty rough, where they just kind of tacked them in a few spots. I'm gonna weld those up completely so then we can grind them down nice and smooth and paint these. I may even take them down and have them powder coated. I have never really farmed out anything, but I might just have these powder coated because they look really good on Paul's coupe. So I may do the same, so we'll see, but I'm definitely gonna weld up the edges to clean that look up because you can see the gap right there. You know, they just kind of tacked them in. So we'll finish those off, so that'll be kind of our project for today. So here's what I'm trying to accomplish. You got this here, kind of gap, doesn't look that clean compared to this, and then we will grind that whole mess down and make this thing look really good. I'm not sure about this lip up into here though. I'll have to see what Paul did and see if he ground that down because, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, that should look much better. So we'll continue welding. As I said, I'm bouncing around so I don't put heat in one spot too much. So you can see, you know, kind of moving around a little bit. We'll see if we can get some video of the welding. Okay, ready?
I don't want to get burned.
You're not going to get burned. Okay, put it up. Here we go. Oh yeah, let's see how that looks. Okay, so we're going to try this one more time. We're going to get in close, even get higher, more of a downward angle. A little more downward angle. There you go. Okay, we'll see if we can make this work here. I got to try to stay out of the way of the camera. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's see how that one looked. Okay, I don't know what the video was like on that, but as you can see, we're making our way around. We'll fill in that. We'll probably flip it over first, trying not to put too much heat in any one spot so these things don't twist or warp. So we'll continue making progress, and then we'll clean all this up with a grinder and either paint or powder coat. Not sure yet, but we'll figure that one out. So I won't continue to show weld videos. So we're starting on the second one now. Got 2 beads run. We'll start bouncing around, flopping this thing over, and then we can start grinding these, cleaning them up, and then figure out what we're going to do. And I also saw this yellow thing up here, which 9 this side. I don't know. It must be their welder is doing something. I don't know. But other than that, we're almost done. We should done another 20-25 minutes. Okay, well, this one's cooling down a little bit. I figured I would start working on this one. So you can see how it's going to look. Much nicer than having that gap. Paul on the forum, this was all him. Sorry. My helmet dropped down, sorry about that. But much nicer. So then we'll either powder coat these, paint them. Not sure yet, but we'll clean these things up and make them look really nice. So you basically have that, gaps, to this where it's all welded in. Just a much cleaner look. Okay, so we got one just about done. As you can see, much nicer look. So we'll continue to weld on this one. As you can see, we started. Still got some ways to go, but then we'll grind it, look like this, and then we'll decide powder coat. I even haven't plated, you never know. We'll see. We're gonna grind this down now. Well, thank you for watching another episode. As you can see what we accomplished. Looks way nicer, doesn't it? So we'll figure out what we're going to do with these, but thanks again for watching, and if you want to take your build to the next level, these are the type of things you need to do. It takes some time. I got a little bit of time into this, but this is definitely worth the effort to finish something off like that. It's definitely worth the time, the welding, the grinding, the painting, because instead of seeing all those unsightly gaps and just those little tack welds, it's one looks like solid piece of metal. So in the end, it's definitely worth it. So thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.